Welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll go over how to create a reading list in Google Chrome. A reading list lets you save articles to read later and access them offline when needed. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and browse to any article you'd like to save. For example, I'm choosing one on cybersecurity, but you can pick any article you want to add to your reading list. To add it, click on the three vertical dots in the top corner. Find the Bookmarks and Lists option and hover over it, then select Reading List. Now click Add to Reading List, and that's it. Your article is saved. To view your list, click the three dots again, go to Bookmarks and Lists, and select Show Reading List. You'll see all the saved articles here. When you're done with an article, you can mark it as read by clicking Mark as Read. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and have a great day.